Look for Anki Droid for Mac or Windows. On Google, visit the first link and download it from the link below. Once you've done that, install it. On Mac, you have to just drag it into the applications like this. On Windows, you run the exe and you're done. Anki is a flashcard software that I've really come to love, and while you can do this next part on your phone, I really prefer doing it on my computer because I like to sit down and study on my computer. Fire up Anki Droid on your computer, create an account if you don't already have one, and then hit add. Make sure to create a new deck before you begin your study and name it according to your area of study. For the rest of this video, I'll follow along with my Dutch deck. Just choose the word or the phrase that you're expected to remember and a quick explanation of what it is in the language you understand. During your study hour, you can just keep enriching your deck without worrying about anything else. When you're done with the study hour, close this add window and open the browse window. Here, pick up your deck and take a quick look at all your entries. Make sure that your fronts are in Dutch or whatever you're expected to remember, and feel free to mix it up a bit. You'll see some of these are nouns, some of them are verbs, and I've also added verb conjugations over here because real life situations are not going to be so organized. You'll get one thing and then the other. You should be ready when things come a little mixed. That's it. That was easy, wasn't it? Anki really reduces the friction to revise for me. If my exercises are buried in Google documents or YouTube videos, or if I need to make notes, I'm definitely not going to be doing it. I need 3 buttons and an automatic list of phrases that I need to revise. I spoke about this repetition principle in my TEDx talk stemming from my success of learning the French language. I'll leave a link to it over here and in the description, so check it out if it interests. I even used Anki to ensure I retain the huge amount of information I had to consume for my first job here in Paris. During this month, I consumed hours of videos which introduced me to the principles of data warehouse management and business intelligence. So this isn't exclusively for languages. It works for anything that has to do with retaining a lot of information. I've spoken about my French learning journey in this video over here, but back then I was not using Anki. For the last 2 years, I've used Anki for work and also to memorize and master French expressions because that's another ocean in itself. I'll be posting videos on here about my Dutch learning journey as well, so definitely subscribe to be in the loop. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one, and as always, Black Fleur.